drones have evolved from a toy to becoming an essential tool in the surveying, construction, engineering, mining, inspection, and many other industries. With the new DJI Matrice 300 RTK, L1 LIDAR payload, and P1 photogrammetry sensor, getting highly accurate deliverables is now more affordable than ever before. Our in-person workshops will go over the best practices for base location and setup, laying ground control points and why they're so important, flight planning, and the best setups within the controller to get the best data. Classroom time will include reviewing actual data from active job sites, showing you how to put all that valuable data you captured to use, saving you time and money. As one of only 13 authorized geospatial DJI dealers in the country, we've been factory trained on setup, flight, and processing, and we're excited to share that knowledge with you. We still have 3 more workshops to go, so please feel free to register for the show nearest you. Thank you.